We are in Lenexa, Kansas, a suburb of Kansas City. U.S. Engineering is the contractor that's handling this project. They're using various Gripple products. They're using the Duct Trapeze, the Butterfly, several types of UniGrip, as well as the metal deck spider, as long as the swivel toggles that go along with that.
So I chose Gripple spiders for the versatility. Before the spider system had been invented, they used to just drill a hole in the metal decking, and it was just a toggle that dropped down through the decking, and then they poured concrete over the top. So the spider system is much more versatile because you can put that down without having to put the hanger in during that time. You can come back at a later time and install the hanger into the spider.
We've got the spider toggle holding the hangers, and then we have the Gripple wire going down to the UniGrip with the clevis hanger. And we're currently installing storm, overflow, sanitary vent, and waste. The Gripple is incredibly easy to get started with. There's almost no learning curve. You simply insert the Gripple wire into the spider, run your hanger up to the elevation you want, and your learning curve is over. UniGrip makes it easy to quickly adjust my elevations so I can be more precise than using all thread rod.
The key benefits in using the spider for any contractor, it's ease of installation. It goes in very easily, whether it's the wood deck version, a pan deck version, or the metal deck. It's called the spider for a reason. It takes 4 different sizes of cables, or if they have to use rod, they have 4 different sizes of threaded rod adapters. So they can literally get this put into the deck, beat the concrete pour that comes quickly, and then they can determine what their hangers are after the fact. It really helps the contractor in the long run.
I've had great experience ever since I started using Gripple, which is approximately 11 years ago. I have used it ever since on every project I've been on. This product is awesome to use. It's so easy. It's made life for our work so much easier.